Okay, I'm here. I'm on Highway 5 up here in Oregon. And trees are starting to turn. Let's see, I got a little over 100 miles to go to Central Point. Doing okay. Not a problem. Turn right along. Me and Miss Mercedes there. See you. It's a little bit warmer than what I've been up to used to. It's at 67 degrees. And it's quarter to 1. Now where I'm going, hot. 80s and 90s while I'm there. It's Central Point, Oregon, so. But, you know, they got air conditioner and stuff, so. And, you know, I got things to do. And when I don't got things to do, hey, I can always start, you know, working on, you know, my suntan. So anyway, there's the speed. It says 65 and truck's 60. Well, I'm doing 60 and everything, including trucks, is past me, but you know, not a problem. Checking right up this hill. Just all by itself, no problem. Sometimes I give a little help and downshift. When it starts dropping speed, it's a mile an hour. Well, I drop it down in from 5th to 4th. Keep the RPM up there, you know, horsepower. And I got a little hill coming up there. Then that's what I've been doing, up and down, up and down, and up and down. The slow trucks. Oh, well, there's a truck lane up there. And there's Miss Mercedes just shifted into 4th at 58 miles an hour. Jeez. So, get over here. It's a big one truck. And there, how about that? 3rd gear at 52. Packing 3,280 RPM. Not a problem. Not even close to red line. Because, you know, I use my equipment, but I don't abuse it. Oh, this logging truck. Me and him are playing tag. I pass him, he passes me. I go past him, blow his doors off maybe, and then he'll blow my doors off going down the hill. Oh well, later.